With fall season just days away, it's peaches everywhere. So this homemade peach jam is so easy that you'll never buy peach jam again. Now, with just peaches, sugar, lemon, we can create this yummy delicious peach jam made without pectin. So for this homemade peach jam, we need peaches which are fully ripe. On touch, it should create a dent on the surface. For this peach jam, I'm using about 3 of ripe peaches. Start by peeling the skin for all of the peaches. We need to remove the seed before the peach pulp are mashed up. This action will help to break down the fruit while we cook the peaches. Transfer the mashed peach pulp onto a pan and then add 1/4 cup of sugar. Now you can increase or decrease the sugar depending on how sweet the peaches are. Give it a stir and keep cooking them down. Now it's time to add juice of 1 lemon. Give it a stir. We now add 1 lemon rind. The white pith or the inner part of the citrus peel is rich in pectin, and it's for this reason that we add it now so that it helps to thicken the jam. Wait till it boils and keep stirring the pan. Now you don't want to burn the jam, so keep stirring until you reach a point when you can see that the liquid is reduced to half. Now because it's gonna take a long time to reduce, do not get tempted to add both the halves of lemon rind because too much of it can make it bitter. The homemade peach jam is almost ready and I'm going to test it if it's done. I'm going to keep some of the jam on a cold plate. And if I draw a line, it should not drip on the sides. So right now it kind of looks okay. On cooling, you can clearly see a thicker peach jam. Transfer the homemade peach jam into sterilized bottle and it's now ready to be used. If this video was worth watching, you might want to check how to make low sugar strawberry jam or how to store strawberries longer. And I shall see you on the next video. Take care.